So we're here at Keystone, and guess who I ran into?
Santa Claus.
It's Santa.
Woo!
Santa's gonna shred with us today, so yeah, definitely am looking forward to this video. Have a very magical
Happy holidays, y'all.
Will do. Let's go. Ho, 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 Merry Christmas!
Send it, bro. Santa's about to send it.
Santa's about to send it. So, I guess Santa had a little bit of Christmas magic left in him because I was sick.
Got it. Stoked.
All right, with that, thanks for watching this video. We're out of here. Till next time. Santa cleaning off his makeshift snowboard.
What a day.
What a day.
It's amazing.